Assalamualaikum. This is K.A Mukit. Welcome to our presentation. So here is the firmware of our final lab project. In this code, we just printing the temperature and humidity values in DTH. The DTH is connected to the 2-number pin and the DTH type is 11. In this code, we have two functions which will give us the temperature value and the humidity value, and then we just print the temperature value and the humidity value. With this code, we will find the correct assumption, and then we have to save the file, the hex file, and after that then we are just going to the project. So here is our final project circuit. For this circuit, we need Arduino TH11 sensor, register, virtual terminal, and physical interface model. We have linked up the hex file with it. If we here the register, if we turn on the simulation, we see a virtual terminal window will pop up. Here it is, and we are getting the temperature and the humidity value. We can also change the humidity value and the temperature from here.
Hello everyone, I'm Nowshin Tasnim and I will be explaining the LabVIEW user interface for our data logger system. So from file, we create a new VI. Before doing anything, we save the project. After the VI is ready, we take a thermometer and rename it to temperature. Then we take a meter and rename it to humidity. And waveform chart needs to be added. To see the data, we create two wave chart for temperature and humidity. So lastly, we create a table and set it up accordingly. We save that. So that was for our front panel. And for the programming part, we create a serial port part. We need several things from there. We need a clear, open, and two read commands, and a flush buffer, and also we need a close. So for handling errors, we take a simple error handling. Next, we need to create a big while loop and place the elements and connect them. Then a Visa resource needs to be connected by clicking create constant. Also needed a time delay, and then after that, we move on to the table control, which will show the value to the front panel. We create array and string constant and connect all of those, and we will complete the shift registering part like that. Connect strings with the temp and humidity elements. Then we build array and add timing. We have to convert date and time into string because all of our input data will be string, and the array will put all the string together. Again, we connect the timestamp, so our first data will be the date and the time, then temperature, and lastly the humidity. In the last connection, we set up our IDs, combine this array, and we send it to the new element of the array table. So from Windows, we show our front panel, and we can see all our elements in there. And if we run it, we can see that our table shows the date, time, and our IDs while we run it. Hence, we can see that all of our data are presented in the table, and we can say that it is running properly. That was from my part. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Anurag, and now I will show how to merge the software LabVIEW and Proteus together and bring out the output. So now we have created the virtual ports pair COM1 and COM2. Now we will go to the Proteus file and check in the Arduino Uno if the program file is being given here or not. So we can see it is given, so okay. Then in the COM pin we will see the baud rate is 9600 or not, and we will put the COM1 here. Now in the LabVIEW file we have to put the VISI source name to COM2 to connect both the software together. Now we will run the simulation in LabVIEW and see we are getting the IDs, time, and date, but we are not getting the temperature and humidity value. So now we will go to the Proteus file and start the simulation here. So we can see we are getting the temperature and humidity value as it is given, and we can also see in the LabVIEW file we are getting the temperature and humidity value. Also in the graph we can see the values. So now we will try changing the temperature value and humidity value. So first of all, I will be increasing the humidity value and see if it is also changed in the lab view file or not. So we have changed it to 59, and we can see in the lab view file it is changed to 59, the humidity value, and also it is changed in the graph. Then we will try changing the temperature value. So I'm increasing it to 36, and also see, and I can also see in the virtual terminal that it is increased to 36. Also in the lab view file we can see it is being changed to 36, the temperature value. So like this it is done. Thank you.